Welcome to the GYS Charaka round 2. This is the final round. First of all, congratulations all of you to select for second round. This is the slot 3. Actually, from morning also there are we conducted 2 slots for 10 students. So this is the slot 3 for 5 students, and one more slot is there. Anyhow, all these sessions are recording, and we will upload all these recordings a little bit later because now the sessions are running. Yeah, some guidelines from our end. First of all, whenever you are participating for the competition, please switch on your video and don't try to discuss with anyone. While you are answering the questions, you should not discuss with anyone, and you should not move your head this side or that side. And second thing is, once the quiz form is shared with you, you have to confirm your details. So, on behalf of you, Mr. Bharat is there with us. He will ask you the details, then you will confirm your details. That is only your name, email ID, and class. That's it. After that, you have different choices. I hope you all are prepared well for this competition. So, while sharing the form, you can directly confirm the answer like A, B, C, D. Then he will mark the answer and move on to the next question. That's why you can save the time. So you have 10 minutes time for this competition. For each one, will have the 10 minutes. So the number of questions you answer, that number of maybe score will you may get that. So you can directly answer the question. No need to read loudly. If anybody wants the support, then Bharat will read out. No problem. Okay. Let's start. Shall we start?
Yes.
Yeah. Good. So the first person is Greeshma.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, from Gujarat. Am I right?
Yes.
6th class.
Yeah. Okay. Hi, Greeshma. Good afternoon. So
Good afternoon.
as Kiran sir just mentioned, I will go through the questions. You can read the questions. If I will read out the questions, but if you know the answer, you directly tell the answer. We don't need to wait until the question is finished. So
Okay,
that
sir.
the more questions you answer, the better, the more marks you get.
Okay.
I will put your email ID here. You just check whether this is the correct one or not.
Okay, sir.
Is this right?
Yes, sir, this is right.
Okay. Sixth class. Okay. Whenever the timer is ready, let us know. We'll start.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you able to see the timer?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes.
Yeah, you can proceed now.
Okay, Grishma. So the first question is
A, sir.
pancreas. Okay. Which of the following is not a member of the solar system?
Sir, B. C. Sir, C.
C constellation. Water boils at lower temperature at high altitudes because
Increased atmospheric pressure, sir.
increase.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which is the most poisonous snake in the world?
Sir, Iceland Taipan.
Okay. Which type of feet that birds have to enable them to swim?
Webbed feet, sir.
Okay. What is the primary source of mercury pollution in aquatic ecosystems?
Agriculture runoff. So, wait.
Hmm.
Sir, coal combustion.
Okay. What is the name of disease that causes microorganisms? Disease causing microorganisms.
Sir, pass.
Okay. Where is National Institute of
Hyderabad.
Nutrition?
Hyderabad, sir.
Okay. Which of the following statements is not correct?
Sir, third.
Okay. Which ocean has the most marine life?
Sir.
Which one?
Pacific, second.
Okay. The services he rendered to the advancement of physics by his discovery of energy quanta, who awarded Nobel Prize in Physics in 1918?
Sir, A.
Which one? I can't hear you.
A, sir.
A.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which one is called the protein factory of cell? Protein factory of cell.
Sir, wait. Sir, third.
You have to be clear. Which one?
Third, sir, third.
Third, lysosome. Okay. The study of annual rings is called.
Dendrology, sir, second.
Okay. People get malaria by being bitten by an infective.
Sir, second.
Okay. Which is the smallest endocrine gland?
Final, sir.
Okay. Which acid is mainly used in the purification of gold and silver?
Sulfuric acid, sir.
Okay. Which is present in Gelusil and Reflex Forte tablets?
Base, sir, base.
How did Chandrayaan 2 welcome Chandrayaan 3?
Welcome, buddy.
Okay. What are the names of moons of Mars?
First.
Okay. In which area the lowest temperature recorded on our Earth?
Sir, first.
Okay. What is the de Broglie wavelength of a particle associated with?
Mountain, sir.
Which one?
Third.
Momentum. Which of the following pictures is related to reptiles?
Sir, third.
What is the circumference of a circle?
2 pi r, sir.
Why do athletes use smelling salts, ammonia salts?
First, sir.
In the reaction between barium chloride and aluminum sulfate, what is the product formed?
Pass, sir, pass.
Okay. She discovered two elements. Which one?
Madam Q, sir, 26th.
26. What are the two elements she discovered?
Second, sir.
Okay. Which of the following is a property of most metals?
Sir, third.
Okay. Which non-metal is used in making matchsticks?
Sulfur.
What is the term for loss of habitat due to human activities?
Sir, fourth. Sir,
Okay.
ऊपर वाला sir, 28th, fourth.
28 is phosphorus.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 29. What is the term for the loss of biodiversity due to human activities such as deforestation, habitat destruction, and pollution?
Deforestation, sir.
Which one?
Biodiversity loss.
Biodiversity loss. Okay.
Yes, sir.
On which date ISRO was started?
The first.
Okay. Which lens is used to correct hypermetropia?
Concave lens.
A fuse is an electric circuit used to.
Protect the circuit from overload, third.
Okay. By the discovery of elements radium and polonium, who won the Nobel Prize?
Madam Curie.
Okay. Which one?
Sir, last.
Okay. Who was the first Indian astronaut to go into space?
Rakesh Sharma.
Okay. What's the theme for Biodiversity Day 2023?
Second, sir.
Okay. In which year the first World Wetlands Day is celebrated?
1971, sir.
Okay. The substances whose compositions are not uniform and different components are mixed are called.
Third, sir.
Okay. Which salt is used to help diagnose or find problems in the esophagus, stomach, and bowels?
Sodium chloride, sir.
Which type of vision defect is corrected using cylindrical lenses?
Third, sir.
Okay. You have 1 minute left. How many light years for 1 parsec?
3.26, sir.
3 point?
3.26.
Okay. Which
Russia,
country support Russia?
Russia.
Okay. Which astronomer is famous for his work on the laws of planetary motion and elliptical orbits of planets?
Galileo, sir.
Which fat soluble vitamin with several forms but alpha tocopherol is the only one used by the human body?
Ini, sir.
E. Okay. Which virus is caused for coronavirus?
Okay, sir. Sir, second. First, sir, first.
Okay. A person who cannot see distant objects clearly but can see nearby objects clearly suffering from
Myopia.
myopia. Okay, Grishma. So with this, your timer has ended. I will submit your quiz now. Well done. Okay, we'll go on to the next student now.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, everybody, thank you. So, Sailaja. Yeah, Grishma,
Yes, sir.
so always try to sit opposite of the light. Okay, you are not visible properly because the light is reflecting from your backside.
Now you can see me, sir.
Still there is a bright light. Yeah, that's okay. Okay, right. Right. Next one is Sailaja.
Yes.
Sailaja, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yeah.
Just a minute. Share your screen.
Yeah, Sailaja, is my screen visible to you?
Okay, sir.
Check whether this email ID is correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ninth class. Okay, can you start the timer?
Just a minute. Yes, ready.
Okay. What is the name of synthetic chemical element with atomic number 118 that was first synthesized in 2002?
2, sir. Second one.
Second one. Okay. A small muscular flap closest to prevent food and liquid from going down your windpipe. Trachea. What is the name of it?
3.
Three. Okay. How many Nobel Prizes are awarded each year?
6.
Okay. Earthworms lack specialized breathing devices. Respiratory exchange occurs through moist body surface into the bloodstream. The skin of the earthworms becomes dry. It dies due to.
2, sir.
Okay. Which country supported for Kodunkulam National Nuclear Power Plant in Tamil Nadu?
France.
Okay. The transfer of pollen from anther to stigma is called.
Pollination.
Which of the following is used medically for radiation therapy as implants and as an external source of radiation exposure?
C.
3.
Yes, sir.
According to the Pythagoras theorem, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the square of sum of squares of the other two sides of a triangle. Which of the following is not a Pythagorean triplet?
7, 24, 25.
ISRO Telemetry Tracking and Command Network ISTRAC with its headquarters is at
Yes, sir.
Ahmedabad. Okay. Which are often called the lungs of the planet because they generally draw in carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen.
Second one.
Okay. Which is the site for India's first underground nuclear weapon test?
Third one.
Okay. Featured animal on the logo for World Wildlife Fund as a symbol of all endangered species that would be able to thrive.
Yes, sir.
Okay. June 5, biggest international day for the environment, led by United Nations Environment Program and held annually since.
C.
Okay. Work of 14 joules is done to move 2C charge between 2 points on a conducting wire. What is the potential difference between the 2 points?
28.
Okay. Sprouting grains also naturally enhances the presence of vitamin B12. What is the other name of vitamin B12?
C.
Okay. What does the root nodules found on the roots of plants, primarily legumes, form symbiosis with?
B.
D. Carbon nutrients.
B, sir.
B. Nitrogen
Yes.
fixing bacteria. Okay. The Montreal Protocol is an international treaty designed to protect the ozone layer by phasing out the production of numerous substances that are responsible for ozone depletion. It was agreed on
B.
B. 1988.
Sir.
Okay. The name helium is derived from the Greek word for the sun, helios. Helium was originally discovered in 1868 by
D, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
yes. Please let the quiz finish, then you can ask. You can come in. Okay. What is the heat energy is used to change the state of liquid to vapor is called?
A, sir.
A. Okay.
B. B. Sir, B.
19th question. What is the answer?
B.
Vaporization.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ozone layer or ozone shield is a region of Earth's stratosphere that absorbs most of the sun's UV radiation. Ozone layer contains less than 10 particles per million of ozone, while the average ozone concentration of Earth's atmosphere as a whole is 0.3 parts per million. Which day is celebrated as International Ozone Protection Day?
September 16.
Okay. A device that is used to measure the amount of heat involved in a chemical or physical process.
B, sir.
B. Voltmeter.
Yes.
Okay. Which allotropic form of carbon has a cage-like fused ring structure, truncated icosahedron, made of 20 hexagons and 12 pentagons and resembles a football?
B, sir.
Okay. Montreal Protocol is an international treaty designed to protect the ozone layer by phasing out the production of numerous substances that are responsible for ozone depletion. It was agreed on
C.
C. 89.
Yes.
Okay. It was in the 1970s when the ozone layer hole was discovered over the stratosphere. In which area it was found?
D.
D. Siberia. Okay. Who performed the world's first human-to-human heart transplant operation on 3rd December 1967?
Yes, sir.
A. Okay. First woman to receive a PhD in science in India. Contributed to protein crystallography research.
C, sir.
Which of the following is the most essential nutrient for a woman during her initial stages of pregnancy to
C,
prevent
sir.
birth defects? A.
C.
C. Vitamin E.
Last 2
Okay.
minutes.
Last 2 minutes. What are these elements called?
C, sir.
B.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which payload on Chandrayaan-3 mission is designed to study thermal properties of lunar surface?
C.
A ban on identified single-use plastic items was notified by the Environment Ministry. It came into force on
B, sir.
D.
B.
Which one?
B.
Which of the following statements is related to this picture shown here?
C, sir.
The government of India decided in 2006 to celebrate P.C. Mahalanobis' birthday every year as National Statistics Day of India. When is it?
July 22.
Carbon dioxide removal, also known as negative CO2 emissions, is a process in which CO2 is removed from the atmosphere and sequestered for long periods of time. Is this statement true or false?
False.
Why do porters use a round piece of cloth on their heads while carrying heavy loads?
B, sir.
B. Okay. A heater of resistance 50 ohm is connected to a 220 volt line. How much current will this heater draw in amperes?
B, sir.
D. Which of these space agencies is responsible for the mission to land a rover on the far side of the moon?
ISRO.
ISRO. Okay, Sailaja, your time is done. I'll submit your quiz now. Well done.
Yeah, Vedika, you're asking something. Yeah,
Sir, I have to go somewhere. You can take my that chance now.
okay. Give me a second. Yeah, yes, of course. Now, Vedika, now it's your turn.
Yes, Vedika, please turn on your video so that we can see.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I will share my screen. Yeah, just check whether this email ID is correct and then we'll go ahead.
Yes, sir. This email ID is correct.
Okay. Okay, you can start the timer.
Yes. Yes, ready.
Okay, Vedika. Where is the thymus gland located?
Sir, please repeat the question.
Where is the thymus gland located? THYMUS, thymus gland.
Sir, sir, A option.
Which one?
A.
A. Okay. Movement of hairs in Drosera is referred as
Sir, please repeat the question.
movement or of hairs in Drosera is referred as A. Autotropism, B. Heliotropism, C. Thigmotropism, and D. Photonastic.
Sir, answer is B option.
B. Okay. Unmanned space vehicles which have been sent to study planets are called
Sir, C option.
okay. Who invented crescograph?
What's that?
Who invented crescograph?
Sir, B option. C. Sir, C.
Okay. In which orbit the ISS, International Space Station, the largest modular space station, is located?
Sir,
You can pass the question.
B
You
option.
can go to the next question.
Oh,
You can say
Sir,
pass.
B option.
B. Geostationary.
Yes, sir.
Sodium was discovered in 1807 by the English chemist. Who is he?
C option. Sir, please repeat the question.
Sodium was discovered in 1807 by the English chemist. Who is he?
Sir, B option.
Okay. In a chemical reaction, the substances that undergo transformation to form a new substance are called.
Reactants.
Okay. Which acid is used for writing letters on glass?
Sir, please repeat the question.
Which acid is used for writing letters on glass? Hydrogen fluoride, hydrogen bromide, hydrogen chloride, and nitric acid, HNO3.
Hydrofluoric acid.
Which one?
Sir, HF. A option.
Chef. Okay. What is the theme for World Wetlands Day 2025? What is the theme for World Wetlands Day 2025?
Sir, please repeat the question.
What is the theme for World Wetlands Day 2025?
It is B option.
Okay. Who is the project chief of Chandrayaan?
Sir, D option. P. Veeramuthaval.
Okay. In order to see full image of a person, the minimum size of the mirror should be.
Sir, half of the person's height.
Okay. Who is the scientist that synthesized urea in 1828 by accident when he was attempting to synthesize ammonium cyanate?
Sir, Friedrich Wöhler. C option.
Okay. Which Indian scientist is known for his pioneering work in the field of radio waves?
Sir, please repeat the question.
Which Indian scientist is known for his pioneering work in the field of radio waves?
It is B option.
Okay. Which bird is known for its association with the legend of delivering babies?
Sir, pelican.
She was the first lady who won Nobel Prize for Physics and then Chemistry. She is known for her discoveries of radioactivity.
Mm, Sir, Mary Skłodowska Curie.
Okay. A raised hammer possesses which energy?
Sir, potential energy.
Okay.
Last,
In which year, 2 minutes left, Vedika. In which year Kalam received India's highest civilian honor, the Bharat Ratna?
Sir, B, C option. Sir, B option.
B. 1997. Okay.
Yes.
Who are the inventors of electron microscope?
Sir, C option.
Okay. Stone leprosy is caused by.
Sir, acid rain.
Okay. What is the formula of bauxite?
Sir, AI.
Okay. Which one?
Sir, it is B option.
B. Okay. The body converts provitamin A carotenoids into vitamin A in the intestine via the which one?
Sir, please repeat the question.
The body converts provitamin A carotenoids into vitamin A in the intestine via the
Sir, Catron are B option.
B. Okay, Vedika, with this your time is up. I will go ahead and submit your quiz. Good job.
Thank you, sir. Sir, the result we will get in the last or by WhatsApp you will send.
The winners will be announced next week. Keep following the WhatsApp channels and our website youngscientistindia.org.
Okay, okay, sir. Now may I leave?
Yes, yes, you can leave.
Okay.
yeah. Next one is Sharanya, known as Sharanya. Sharanya, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Good. Just a minute.
Okay.
Bharat sir will share the details.
Okay, Sharanya, is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is this email ID correct?
Yes, sir.
Perfect.
9th class, sir.
9th class. Okay. You can start the timer now.
Yeah, right, ready.
Okay, Sharanya. On 4th August 1956, the first nuclear reactor of India was commissioned by BARC, Baba Atomic Research Center. What is the name of it?
A, sir.
A. Apsara. Okay. Which Indian organization is responsible for space research and exploration?
D, sir.
D. ISRO. In order to catch corrupted officials red-handed, which of the following is used by ACB, Anti-Corruption Bureau?
A, sir.
A. When was SHAR Sriharikota High Altitude Range Satish Dhawan Space Center launched?
C, sir.
Okay. Zinc oxide is white in color at room temperature. On heating, it loses oxygen and turns into
C, sir.
okay. Who proposed that energy levels of electrons are discrete and that the electrons revolve in stable orbits around the atomic nucleus?
B, sir.
Sommerfeld,
B.
Niels Bohr. Okay. The chemical formula for potassium dichromate is K2Cr2O7 and the molar mass is calculated to be
B, sir.
B. Okay. What is the value of speed of light in a vacuum according to Maxwell's equations?
C, sir.
C.
Yes.
Okay. International Mother Language Day is a world annual observance to promote awareness of linguistic, cultural diversity and multilingualism. On which date is it celebrated?
21st. Yes, sir.
A.
Yes, sir.
What is the balanced chemical equation for the electrolysis of water?
C, sir.
Okay.
Sir, B, sir. B, sir.
B.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Vivarium for smaller land animals, especially reptiles, amphibians, or terrestrial invertebrates, typically in the form of a glass-fronted case, are called
C, sir.
okay. Which country has the highest number of Ramsar sites?
D, sir.
Which one?
D. Fourth one.
United Kingdom. Okay. The Chernobyl disaster was a nuclear accident that occurred on
April 26, 1918. A, sir.
okay. The first Indian observatory class mission to study the solar corona using a solar coronagraph to be launched.
A, sir.
Okay. What is the high-yielding semi-dwarf rice variety developed by the International Rice Research Institute in early 1960s?
Sir, B,
The
sir.
beryllium,
B, sir. B, sir. Second one.
the beryllium chloride molecule formed is linear with a bond angle.
A, sir.
Okay. What is the smallest bone in our body, which is having roughly 2 to 3 mm length only?
C, sir.
Okay. Which organization as has developed and designed supercomputer Param in India?
B, sir. Second one.
Okay. Bose Institute Basavignan Mandir is a public research institute of India and also one of its oldest. The institute was established in
1970. C, sir.
okay. Who is known as the father of human embryology?
C, sir.
Okay. The first person to study in detail the use of rockets for spaceflight was the Russian school teacher and mathematician. Who is he?
D, sir.
Okay. How many capital English alphabet symmetric letters appear same when looked in a mirror?
11.
12,
D,
13, 14, 11.
11.
In which year National Green Tribunal was established?
2010. D, sir.
Which instrument's working principle is explained here?
B, sir. Second one.
Okay. The Variation of Animals and Plants Under Domestication is a book by Charles Darwin that was first published in
18. C, sir.
C. Okay, which is the first element to be synthesized rather than discovered in nature?
C, sir.
Okay. The Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Prize for Science and Technology is a science award given in India, given annually by
B, sir. Second one.
okay.
Yes, sir.
What is the roof of the mouth separating cavities of the mouth and nose in invertebrates called?
D, sir. Fourth one. Yes, sir.
Which type of bond is formed between carbon atoms in organic compounds?
B, sir. Second one. Yes, sir.
If the resistance of a wire is 10 ohms and its diameter is doubled, the new resistance will be
B, sir. Second one. 2.50.
okay. You have 30 seconds left. Which of the following metals has the highest melting point?
D, sir.
The dark gray region between the moon and earth, where the sun is completely obscured by the moon, is called.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why should a magnesium ribbon be cleaned before burning in air?
C, sir.
C. Okay, Saranya, so your time is up now. Good job. I will submit your quiz.
Okay. Sir, can I?
Yeah, in the meantime, Atif. Atyukt.
We will go on to the next student.
Yes. Atyukt Behuray. Yeah, are you ready, Atyukt?
Yes, sir, I am ready.
Yeah, good.
Okay. Atyukt, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just check whether this email ID is correct.
Yes, sir, it is correct.
Perfect. 7th class. Okay, now I will start the timer.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. Which is the purest form of carbon?
Diamond.
Okay. What is formed when magnesium ribbon burns in air?
Magnesium oxide.
Okay. How many payloads did Chandrayaan-1 carry?
11.
Who wrote Fall of Sparrow?
Salim Ali.
Okay. Vehicle tires are treaded because
To increase the friction.
okay. Montreal Protocol is an international treaty designed to protect the ozone layer by phasing out the production of numerous substances that are responsible for ozone depletion. It was agreed on
16th of September 1987.
okay. The tendency of liquid surfaces to shrink into minimum surface area is called as
Surface tension of water.
okay. What is the study of moon called?
Selenography.
Okay. Who invented lightning conductor?
Benjamin Franklin.
Okay. Sprouting grains also naturally enhances the presence of vitamin B12. What is another name of B12?
Cyanocobalamin.
Okay. She is called as Encyclopedia of Forest. She got Padma Shri Award in 2021. She planted 30,000 trees. Who is she?
Tulsi Gowda.
What is the study of diamonds called?
Gemology.
Penicillin was first discovered by a Scottish physician. Who is he?
Bacteriologist Alexander Fleming.
In cultivated apple, which acid is predominantly detectable organic acid?
Malic acid.
In which year Kalam received India's highest civilian honor, the Bharat Ratna?
1997.
Zoological name of silverfish.
Lepisma saccharina.
Who is the first winner of Nobel Prize in Physics?
Willem Röntgen.
Our touch acts as a stimulus for plant and it closes its leaves in return. What is its name?
Mimosa pudica.
Which human organ has regenerating capacity?
Liver.
It is a method to record an electrogram of electricity activity on the scalp that has been shown to represent the macroscopic activity of the surface layer of the brain underneath. Identify this.
ECG.
Which type of friction can be observed in this picture?
Static friction.
The Venus flower basket or Euplectella is the sponge. It is a marine sponge found in the deep waters of the Pacific Ocean. In which country it is given as a wedding gift?
Japan.
Fertilization can be defined as the fusion of male gametes pollen with female gametes ovum to form a diploid zygote. Which type of process is it?
Biochemical.
Anti-Tobacco Day or World No Tobacco Day is observed on
31st May.
the Abel Prize is awarded annually by the King of Norway to one or more outstanding in
Mathematicians.
when you see dim light, the size of pupil becomes
Larger.
violently rotating column of air that is in contact with both the surface of the earth and a cumulonimbus cloud is called
Tornado.
species of plant that has adaptations to survive in an environment with little liquid water, such as desert, are called.
Xerophytes.
In humans, how much of saliva is produced every day?
Between 1 and 1.5 liters.
In which year Sir C.V. Raman got Nobel Prize in Physics for his famous experiment Raman effect?
1930.
What is the element that is in the highest percentage of composition of the Earth?
Aluminium.
Where is the headquarters of International Astronomical Union?
Paris.
The dark gray region between the moon and the earth where the sun is completely obscured by the moon is called
Penumbra.
How much did the Chandrayaan 3 mission cost in crores?
$600.
Okay. Which allotropic form of carbon has a cage-like fused ring structure, truncated icosahedron, made of 20 hexagons and 12 pentagons, and resembles a football?
Buckminster Fullerene.
Materials for waterproof coats and tents owe their waterproof properties to
Surface tension.
what type of forest dominated by trees that lose their foliage at the end of the growing season?
Deciduous temperate forests.
On bath soaps, TFM percentage is published. What stands for TFM?
Total fatty matter.
She is remembered as the first person to suggest the name Pluto for the dwarf planet discovered by Clyde Tombaugh in 1930 when she was 11 years old. Who is she?
Uh, she is Venetia Catherine Douglas Burney.
Okay. A lightning rod or a lightning conductor is a metal rod mounted on a structure and intended to protect the structure from a lightning strike. Who invented this?
Benjamin Franklin.
Okay. Whose birthday is celebrated as National Doctors' Day in India on 1st July?
Anandi Gopal Joshi.
Which Indian scientist was the receiver of the Adams Prize in 1942?
Orma Jahangir Bhabha.
Okay. What elements did Madame Curie discover?
Polonium and radium.
Last 1 minute.
1 minute. Which international treaty was designed to reduce greenhouse gas emissions?
The Kyoto Protocol.
Identify the scientist popularly known as Wizard of the Wonder Drug.
Yella Pragada Subbarao.
Nichrome is a non-magnetic alloy of
Nickel and chromium.
water moving up a straw is an example of
Capillary action.
LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, is a flammable mixture of following hydrocarbon gases.
Propane, butane and butene. No,
Which
it was
which
propane,
option?
butane and propanone.
Propanol 1. Okay. So with this, your time is done, Atyukt. Good job. I will now submit your quiz. We'll go on to the next student.
Yeah. Next student is Yashwanth.
Okay. Okay, Yashwanth, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just see if this email ID is correct.
Yes, sir. Vodarevu, sir. Chirala, sir.
Okay.
My wife, sir.
Just a minute. Okay. Shall we start the timer?
Yes. Go ahead.
Okay, Yashwanth. In the year 1953, Operin and Halden suggested that life originated from non-living organic molecules like
Option A, sir.
okay. What do we call the substances that are newly formed in a chemical reaction?
Option B, sir. Products.
Okay. Who among the following is the winner of Bharat Ratna in 1955?
Option C, sir.
Which Indian organization is responsible for space research and exploration?
Option D, sir. D.
D. Okay.
D.
Which gland is often called the master gland because it controls other endocrine glands?
Option A, sir.
A. Which of the following petroleum product is used as a solvent for dry cleaning clothes?
Petrol, sir. Option D.
D. Which is the most abundant metallic element in the Earth's crust?
Aluminium, sir. Option D.
Okay. Where is the headquarters of WWF, World Wildlife Fund?
Option A, sir.
Mhm. When the Integrated Missile Development Program, when was it started? An Indian Ministry of Defense program for the research and development of comprehensive range of missiles.
1984 to 85. Option B, sir.
Okay. Which day is celebrated as International Bicycle Day?
Jo- uh, Sir, once repeat it, sir.
Which day is celebrated as International Bicycle Day?
June 3rd, sir.
Okay. What is the acceleration pointed towards the center of a curved path and perpendicular to the object's velocity?
Option B, sir.
On which day Bhopal gas tragedy, also known as Bhopal gas disaster, happened?
December 3rd. Option C, sir.
Who is the father of tissue culture?
Option C, sir.
Which of the following statements is not correct?
Option D, sir.
Which color light has the highest frequency?
Violet, sir. Option D.
Wisdom teeth normally grow during the age of?
17 to 21, sir. Option B.
Okay.
Option
In
C.
which plants pneumatophores can be observed?
Option B, sir.
Okay. In the recognition of great merits of his theoretical and experimental investigations on the conduction of electricity by gases, who got Nobel Prize in 1906?
Sir,
In the recognition of great merits of his theoretical and experimental investigations on conduct of electricity by gases.
option C, sir.
Bose Institute, Basavignan Mandir is a public research institute of India. You know,
1917, sir. Option C.
in which year Mokshagundam Visvesvaraya got Bharat Ratna Award?
Option A, sir. 1955.
PSLV C-53 is the 55th mission of the PSLV satellites. On which date it was launched?
On 30 June 2022, sir. Option A.
Steel pipe has an outside diameter of 100 mm and an inside diameter of 80 mm. What is the area of the cross section approximately?
Option A, sir.
The period of revolution of a geostationary satellite is equal to the rotational period approximately.
24 hours.
Which of the following statements is correct?
All of the above are correct, sir.
How many number of pairs of chromosomes are there in
23, sir.
humans?
Option B, sir.
On which date World Telecommunication Day is observed every year?
Eleventh May, sir. Option C.
When we press the bulb of a dropper with its nozzle kept in water, the air in the dropper escapes in the form of bubbles. Once we release the pressure on the bubble, water gets filled in the dropper. The rise of water in the dropper is due to
Atmospheric pressure, sir. Option D.
which element on adding to natural rubber makes it less sticky in hot weather and less hard in cold weather?
Sulfur, sir. Option C.
There are mainly 4 types of friction.
Option C, sir.
Which of the following is not a mosquito-borne disease?
Option D, sir.
What does root nodules found on the plants, primarily legumes, form symbiosis with?
Option B, sir.
The nitrogen fixing bacteria. Okay. The brain is present in the hard bony box-like structure called.
Option C, sir.
My ore is bauxite. My alloys are frequently used in aircrafts, in crust of the earth. I am number one occurring metal. Guess me.
Option C, sir.
Okay. It is difficult to walk on an oily floor because.
Option D, sir.
Ice is packed in sawdust because.
Sawdust is a poor conductor of heat. Option B.
Last 2 minutes.
What is the color? Last 2 minutes. What is the color of lead oxide when hot and when it is cold?
Option A, sir.
What is the value of G on the moon?
Sir, can you scroll down?
What is the value of G on the moon? Gravitational force.
1.625, sir. Option B.
Okay. Identify this gland.
Option A, sir.
Okay. Who is the first man to walk in space?
Option A, sir.
Okay. Which of the following is not correct?
Option B, sir.
Okay. World Population Day is celebrated on.
Option B, sir.
Okay. The force applied perpendicularly to the surface of an object per unit area is known as what?
Option C, sir.
Okay. The major reason behind the vulture population getting nearly wiped out was a drug which was found in the carcass of cattle the vultures fed on. What is the name?
Option B. Option B.
B. Okay. He was an Indian morphologist. Do you know?
Option
Who is
B,
he?
sir.
India's first hybrid sounding rocket by private players was recently launched from.
Option A, sir.
Okay. Okay, Yashwanth, your time is up. Good job. I will submit your quiz now. We'll go on to the next student.
Yeah, no.
Sir, can we leave, sir?
Yes, yes, you can leave. No problem.
Okay.
Done for this session, brother.
Done for the session. Okay.
Actually, total 5, but one student from morning session joined with us, so 6 students joined today for this class.
Okay.